Hi everyone, this is Matt from Ports and Pensions. Today we are on Wonder of the Seas. We are heading to our cabin on Deck 12, room 642. The room is on the same deck as the Wonderland restaurant, which has this Alice in Wonderland inspired decor. This room is a junior suite and you can really feel the difference in age between Wonder and the older ships. This room feels incredibly modern. Gone are the dark woods and heavy fabrics you see on the older vessels. Everything here is light, airy, and streamlined. The storage is much smarter, with plenty of USB ports exactly where you need them, right by the bed. The junior suite gives you that extra width, a massive walk-in closet, which my wife loved, and a full bathtub. It felt less like a cruise cabin and more like a modern hotel room. If you are debating upgrading, the fresh, updated look of these rooms makes it very tempting. On a cruise ship, this is a pretty big bathroom. The tub was a little narrow, but I had enough room to move around. I really like this style over the small shower with the curtain. Now let's look at the balcony. This cabin has a larger balcony than many of the other junior suites. If you look at the deck plan, there is the bump out and the balconies are larger in this section. We had some really nice views off the balcony when we left Nassau. It was great seeing all of the other ships that were in port. I hope you enjoyed our cabin tour, and we'll leave a link to the video with the rest of our Wonder of the Seas tour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see our next adventure.